Hi, I'm making a sticker business. I'll show you how the stickers I made. So first is the sticker. It's like a happy face, and then to take off the happy face, it's like a mask, and it's a cry face. And this is also its own sticker too. Awesome. I don't really know. This is a pretty bad one, but it is. Next, match with the container. Next, choose one. My mom went into so she said assassination. So this is assassination. Next is a tree. This was the first one I ever not ever made. This was the first one